This is the CS Pro Ceramic Washdown. This is the perfect formula for keeping your ceramic coated rope well maintained. Its pH neutral formula is safe for both paint and gel coat, in fact all surfaces. This is a highly concentrated formula, which means you really don't need much per bucket. 1 to 2 caps is more than enough. So if your boat's been recently ceramic coated, this is the perfect product to maintain that coating. Whilst it cleans with a very heavy detergent, it is also extremely safe for your ceramic coating, and in fact any other waxes or sealants you may already have on your boat. Thoroughly rinse the surface always before starting your contact wash. This helps to remove any loose debris and any loose contaminants that are on the surface before you start to make contact with the paint or the gel coat. Measuring out 1 to 2 capsules. Get it a bit more steady.